Shalini Nagar. I am teaching that student of +2 and +3, and today you stay with me for a few minutes to say something about the process of photosynthesis. So what is photosynthesis? We all know from the childhood, we all know plant produces food. So when it produces food, and what's the process? That process is called as photosynthesis. In presence of sunlight, plant what does plant do? In presence of sunlight and in the presence and with the help of chlorophyll pigment. Because we all know chlorophyll pigment present in the chloroplast, and carbon dioxide in water. Taking carbon dioxide from atmosphere, water from root, plant prepare its food, and that is called as photosynthesis. So the reaction is like that: 6 carbon dioxide and water allow to form carbohydrate. In this process, oxygen is released also. So photosynthesis is what? In a simple term, you can say plant prepare its food, and autotrophic mode of nutrition that we call it. And in this process, plant prepare its food. So we can, in a technical way, if we explain about the photosynthesis, we can also say it's an oxidation reduction process. So what is oxidation and reduction? Here water is oxidized and carbon dioxide is reduced. So water is oxidized in light reactions, carbon dioxide is reduced in dark reaction, and that is the true phase in the photosynthesis occurs where this happens. I will say forward. There is site of photosynthesis. So what is site? Where is the site where plant prepare its food? So we know that in the one of the important plant cell organelles is chloroplast, and it has a chlorophyll pigment is present here, and it is double layer membrane. This one is double layer membrane, and a state of coin, that is thylakoid, it is called as granule. And in the same way, there is a fluid-like matrix substance present inside the chloroplast. It is called as stroma. Beside that, we can see the intermembrane space here that are connected with the thylakoid of inside it. So what happened? Both the phases of photosynthesis. Very interesting fact is that the photosynthesis is not only in the presence of light. It takes in two phases. What happened? And one is light and another one is dark phase. Light means it requires light, means it needs light. Okay? And dark means it is independent of light. Here light is not required. What happens in light? In the light reactions, which happen in the daytime, when it is depend on light, so it happened in the daytime mostly. And at that time, what happened? The photolysis of water happens, means water in presence of light, it is break down and it releases 4 photon and oxygen is released in this process. And what happened in these light reactions? Also ATP and NADPH is formed. They are two energy currency of cell, and it is required by the in the process of dark reaction. So what is dark reaction here? Dark reaction means it is independent of light. Means here the light is also present, but it doesn't require light. It is independent of light. So what happened? This ATP and NADPH you are seeing here, this is required in the dark reaction, and what happened? With the help of carbon dioxide. Here this carbon dioxide is reduced, and with the utilization of ATP and NADPH, it forms carbohydrate. This carbohydrate. The carbohydrate is formed with the help of this carbon dioxide and ATP and NADPH to produce what? Carbohydrate. So the two phases can be explained very well by this light phase and dark phase. So who discovered this light phase? It was discovered by Hill, and its name is Hill reaction. And this light phase, it has two photosystems. One is called PS1, that has a wavelength of 700, longer wavelength. PS2, that is 680, and it is a shorter wavelength. In both these two for pigment system 1 and pigment system 2 molecules, here what happens? The light comes and the excitation of electron takes place. And it is well described by Jansky, which can be explained further. And what happened to the dark phase? It was explained by Blackmans. It is also called as C3 cycle, or it is also called as Calvin cycle. So this is the today description of photosynthesis.